The mid-range smartphone market continues to evolve rapidly, and Samsung is once again raising the bar with the new Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. Released in 2025 as part of Samsung's popular Galaxy A series, this device is designed to deliver a premium smartphone experience without the premium price tag. It comes with a large AMOLED display, a powerful new processor, improved cameras, and long-term software support that rivals many flagship devices. But the real question is, can the Galaxy A56 5G truly deliver a flagship-like experience in the mid-range category? In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into everything this smartphone has to offer, including the design, display, performance, camera system, battery life, software features, and overall user experience. So let's explore the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G in detail. Starting with the design, the Galaxy A56 5G continues Samsung's minimalist and modern design language. The phone features a sleek body measuring around 7.4 millimeters thick and weighing approximately 198 grams, making it relatively slim while still feeling solid in the hand. Samsung uses a metal frame combined with Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection, giving the phone a premium feel and improved durability compared to many other mid-range smartphones. Another great feature is the IP67 water and dust resistance, which means the device can survive accidental splashes or even short immersion in water. In terms of colors, Samsung offers several stylish options, including Awesome Graphite, Awesome Light Gray, Awesome Olive, and Awesome Pink. Overall, the design of the Galaxy A56 5G feels clean, modern, and surprisingly premium for a mid-range device. Moving on to the display, this is one of the strongest aspects of the Galaxy A56 5G. The device features a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels. Samsung's AMOLED panels are known for their vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent contrast, making this display ideal for watching videos, browsing social media, and gaming. The screen also supports 120 Hz refresh rate, which provides smoother scrolling and animations compared to standard 60 Hz displays. Brightness is another highlight, with peak brightness reaching up to 1900 nits for HDR content. The screen remains clearly visible even under bright sunlight. Additionally, the display includes HDR10+ support, always-on display, and Vision Booster for outdoor visibility. Overall, the display quality on the Galaxy A56 5G is easily one of the best in its class. Now, let's talk about performance. The Galaxy A56 5G is powered by Samsung's Exynos 1580 chipset built on a 4-nanometer architecture. This processor uses an octa-core CPU configuration featuring Cortex-A720 performance cores and Cortex-A520 efficiency cores, delivering improved speed and power efficiency. For graphics, the device uses the Xclipse 540 GPU, which is designed to handle modern mobile games and demanding applications. The phone is available in several memory configurations: 8GB RAM, 12GB RAM, with storage options of 128GB, 256GB UFS 3.1 storage. Combined with Samsung's optimized software and improved cooling system, the phone can handle multitasking, streaming, and gaming quite comfortably. Next, let's discuss the camera system. The Galaxy A56 5G features a triple camera system on the rear: 50-megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization, 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and 5-megapixel macro camera. The main camera is capable of capturing detailed photos with natural colors, while the ultra-wide camera allows you to capture wider scenes, such as landscapes or group photos. Samsung also improved the phone's nightography technology, enabling better low-light photography with reduced noise and improved detail. For selfies, the device uses a 12-megapixel front camera that supports high-resolution selfies and video recording. Video recording supports up to 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, along with HDR video support. Samsung also includes several AI-based camera features, such as object eraser, best face for group photos, and AI scene optimization. Battery life is another strong point of the Galaxy A56 5G. The phone is equipped with a 5,000 mAh battery, which is large enough to easily last an entire day of normal usage. Samsung claims the phone can provide up to 29 hours of video playback under certain conditions. The device also supports 45-watt fast charging, allowing the battery to reach around 65% in approximately 30 minutes. On the software side, the Galaxy A56 5G runs Android 15 with Samsung's One UI 7 interface. One of the biggest highlights is Samsung's long-term support. The phone is promised to receive up to 6 generations of Android updates and 6 years of security updates, which is exceptional for a mid-range device. Security is also enhanced with Samsung Knox Vault, which protects sensitive data such as passwords and biometric information. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G is a well-balanced mid-range smartphone that combines a premium design, a beautiful AMOLED display, capable cameras, solid performance, and excellent long-term software support. With features like a large 120Hz display, a powerful new processor, a 5,000 mAh battery, and AI-powered camera tools, the Galaxy A56 5G delivers a modern smartphone experience suitable for everyday users, tech enthusiasts, and content creators alike. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.